In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Slack status with Google Calendar for 2025. If managing your meetings and availability across different platforms feels like a juggling act, you're in the right place. By setting up this integration, you won't have to manually update your Slack status every time you step into a meeting. This can save you time and help you communicate your availability more effectively. Let's jump right in. First, we need to get the Google Calendar app installed within Slack. Open up Slack on your computer and look over to the sidebar where you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Calendar and hit Enter. You should see the Google Calendar app pop up in the search results. Click on Add to Slack and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. The installation process is straightforward, just like adding any other app to Slack, and should only take a few moments. Once the Google Calendar app is installed in Slack, we need to connect it to your Google account. In any Slack channel or direct message, type the command GCL connect and press enter. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to sign in with your Google account credentials. Enter your login details and follow any additional steps to complete the sign-in process. After successfully signing in, be sure that you grant the necessary permissions to the app so it can access your calendar. This is a crucial step as it enables Slack to read and interact with your calendar events. Now that your Google account is connected to Slack, it's time to set up the status sync feature. Once again, in Slack, type the command GCL settings and hit enter. You'll be taken through a series of options for configuring your calendar settings. Look out for an option which says set my Slack status when I'm in a meeting. Make sure this option is enabled. Once you switch this on, your Slack status will be automatically updated to convey that you're in a meeting whenever an event starts on your Google Calendar. For instance, your status could show an icon like a calendar emoji followed by the words "in a meeting." And just as conveniently, this status will clear itself when the event ends, ensuring your availability is accurately reflected without any extra effort on your part. With that, you're all set. This nifty integration syncs automatically, keeping your Slack presence up to date with your Google Calendar events, giving you one less thing to worry about in your busy workday.